Hello everyone, this is Anya. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm already awake. Today my friends and I are going to climb a very beautiful mountain. And we've decided to do this early in the morning. By the way, have you joined our Insta family yet? Masha and Tanya are chatting as usual and you guys enjoy the view. We stopped by to buy some sausages to have barbecue later. Finally, we are here. And where is Max?
Late guy, we have been waiting for you for an
Guy?
hour.
I'm not guy.
So wonderful here. Look at these fir trees, pine trees. This grass is so fresh and green. Wonderful.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Wonderful!
Another bird catches the worm.
So our journey begins.
Oh, it's so unbearable.
I will help you too. Come closer. Okay.
So 15 minutes ago we were at the bottom of this mountain. Now we are in the middle and we need to go to the top of it.
Oh, it's very cool tree. I would like to climb it. Yeah.
Can I join you?
Why not? Let's climb it together.
Okay. Tanya, it has eyes and a nose. Oh yeah, okay. My turn.
Well, it's very dangerous. Give me your hair. Now we are climbers.
We're tree climbers, not mountain climbers. Okay.
We are pine tree climbers.
Pineapple climbers.
Pineapple, apple, pen climbers.
Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple.
Oh, look at these needles. They are so fresh.
Don't eat it,
The
Max,
aroma.
don't eat it.
Oh, it's a feel good. Look at these eyes. Have you seen this?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
And the nose. Wow. So Max, make a bouquet of flowers for him.
I would like not to because I have allergy. Anya, help yourself.
Thank you.
We are going to a bear hunt. We want to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We are not scared. Oh no! It's a forest.
Wow,
Tremble.
really?
Yeah, we can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we need to go through it.
We're going on a bear hunt.
Tremble.
I've got my binoculars.
Oh, yeah. I'm tripped over this stone.
I'm not scared.
Ooh, look at that tall, wavy grass.
It's so tall.
We can't go over it.
We can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
No, it's really dangerous.
Oh, it is really dangerous.
We've left our sausages in the car, and now if we want to have barbecue, we have to go down again.
Yes, I know a lot of berries. Strawberries, gooseberries, raspberries. Don't eat them.
What is
Do you know the names of the berries?
wolfberries maybe.
Wolverine.
I didn't know.
2 for your English.
It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Max has asked me to eat more strange berries.
Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna be.
What are you doing here? Are you meditating?
No, I am making a plan.
You are at the top of the mountain. You've done this.
Yeah. And now I'm wondering if I can go back. Okay, now we are coming back. Wish us luck.
Life has its song.
We are going downstairs really quickly because we have so many other things to do today. And you guys hit the like button, write down your comments below and subscribe to our channel. Bye!